Are you looking to finally have good posture? I'm Dr. Philip Cordova with CORE Chiropractic, and we help people get good posture every single day in our office. We do this by addressing the posture with three areas. One is proper alignment. So we will look at your spine, make sure your spine is moving and functioning the way it's supposed to through chiropractic care. Second is by giving you specific stretches to help counteract all that time that you spend sitting at the computer. And last is also specific posture exercises to help you counteract all that time you spend hunched over on the computer and hunched over your smartphone and driving and eating and all those things that are causing your bad posture in the first place. It's important to us that you not just get fast results, but that you get lasting results. And that can only happen if we finally get a chance to meet you. That means that if you come into our office for a free consultation, we'll talk with you, learn more about your health history, and look to see if your bad posture can be helped with chiropractic care. I promise all of your questions will be answered. We'll make sure that that's the most valuable 15 minutes that you can spend. We'll explain how we can help, how long it's going to take, how much it's going to cost, all those things before you continue on any kind of chiropractic treatment program. If nothing else, I hope you'll visit our YouTube channel where we're constantly updating with new ways that you can help improve your posture and have a healthier life. So again, I'm Dr. Philip Cordova with CORE Chiropractic. We have 2 locations, one in the Galleria, one in the Energy Corridor, and we hope to hear from you soon. Take care.